Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The US Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. The Portuguese current account balance at 10 GMT. The Eurozone's current account will be released at 8 GMT. Japan's machinery orders at 23:50 GMT. Japan's imports at 23:50 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street's main indexes were down as investors awaited a raft of corporate earnings reports from major retailers for more signs about the state of the economy and the Federal Reserve's annual symposium in Jackson Hole. Cryptocurrency investment products saw another week of strong inflows last week, largely driven by Ether exchange-traded products. Global crypto ETPs posted $3.75 billion of inflows during the trading week ending Friday, CoinShares reported. Japan's Nikkei share average extended its gains from last week to end at a record high as a weaker yen pushed automakers' stocks higher. Japanese shares rallied this month on renewed optimism over the domestic corporate outlook.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.